Hey, welcome back to Geek and Son. Today, look at that. Ain't those beautiful? Those will be the seats for the generallee. Now these were the original color. This is the saddle that all the purists love. I could have gone that route. I didn't. I went with Legendary. Now again, they're not a sponsor. They will be. They're not right now. Hopefully, see? Boom. That's not funny. That's not it. Well, that's the old truck one. That scared me. That's a piece of crap. Here's the good one. Anyway, you get the idea. So I'm going to take the old ones apart. They're not even technically from a Charger, but they are a B-body seat. They're trashed. I think they're out of a GTX or who knows. I don't know the seat pattern. If you know what they are, let me know. I'll even give you the old seat covers. I went back and forth on whether I'm putting the headrest on. I have decided I'm going to. Might as well. And so I'm going to recover the back, recover the front. I've got the seat tracks and the foam. And I tell you what, I'm so glad I bought these years ago, because I couldn't afford them now. Everything is doubled in price. So I'll go step by step, ripping it apart, making a big mess, and then putting it all back together. One thing I'm a little worried about is I didn't get any new foam for the back seat. But who sits back there anyway? I'm gonna have to find something. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right, well, let's dive in. I feel like I need a tetanus shot just looking at this thing, but you know, it'll be all right. Okay, so I got a screwdriver. I'm gonna take this little panel off. And you know what? I think these are actually black. Either that or dark blue. Can't tell. Pretty faded. Good news, I think they're black. I'll clean them up, of course. Yeah, I think that's black. It says. It's got a part number, a mopar part number, 288-8602. RT. Okay. Maybe this fence for right to Henderson. Okay. Don't lose the screws. Ooh, I might need some wrenches to take this apart, but I will. Don't think of that. Okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna take these hog rings off. And that's easy as pie. Take some of these and snap them. Of course, I might flat my eye. I might wish I could get some safety glasses. I think we're gonna pause here and we'll go get some safety glasses.
Well, I wish I could get that excited about that.
All right, I got some safety glasses. Got this thing. Got a wrench here. A ratchet. Ow. It likes to jump off. What the hell is its problem? It doesn't want to work. It's annoying. All right. There's that bolt. Beautiful. Alright, then let's do the other side. I am sure there are dudes who've done way better than me at this. Holy schmoly, see the mess that's leaving. I figured it probably would. I have done this on my Nova, so I've done it kind of before, but not any Mopar seats. And I feel so lucky that I was smart enough to buy this stuff a long time ago. And then it was on my shelf for years. Because I'm telling you, I couldn't even afford the seat covers at this point. And definitely not these ratty old seats. I remember buying these seats from the guy I bought the car from and thinking I was getting ripped off. I think they were $500. No way I could even find these ratty ones for that much anymore. So, again, got lucky. But what I do have some aftermarket ugly seats in it. That would suck. And these will be brand new. Maybe take them all apart and get a tetanus shot. Put my gloves back on. Just like with anything though, you just gotta push through, figure it out. Okay, so that should take this front piece off. And it did. And this fell off. Ew, it's so gross. Just under the spacer type thing. So you got the bottom one and the top one. And all you gotta do is take these hog rings out. They're just like little staples, which I happen to have some. Ta-da! And then this should just peel off. There's some kind of tag in here, probably from the original car. Maybe just the original seat. Because it, whatever seat cover this was, and it went on that kind of a car, I'm saying. So, here's one. Trying to pay attention where these went so I can kind of duplicate it. Looks like they're spaced about 1 inch apart all the way around. Yep. All I'm really going to be using is the seat frame and the spring, so. I honestly don't even know if this is the best tool to get it out. It might be better with a flat screwdriver, or maybe there's another tool made to do this. But obviously don't care about these covers. Just need to get them off. And I've had these on my shelf for 7 years. So, they're gross. I don't need to save these old rings, but I'm not going to leave them a big mess on the floor either. Already making a mess. Oh, this is so gross. I like to leave like a business card or something inside of stuff like this when I make it, so whoever does it next, 50 years, 100 years, 2 years, can see where I was. I mean, technically we could just throw some old seat covers on these and be fine. Ew. We could though. Super uncomfortable, but really gross, but better than the milk crate, I guess. And I don't know where the guy got these. These were not out of a charger. They don't match the fabric. Unless somebody recovered them, it doesn't look like it. I'm guessing a kind of Plymouth GTX. Who knows? Something with these kind of seats. Could have been a Dart for all I know. Something Mopar. Oh. It's bad enough I almost want to wear a mask when I'm breathing all this rusty mouse air or whatever it is. Here's the seat frame taken apart. It's super gross. I didn't think it would be this messy. Alright. So here's something you need to know before you watch this video. It's not that difficult, but it takes a lot of time. I'm not going to be here to give you detailed instructions. So watch the video. I'll post a link, okay? It's by Legendary Audio Interiors. I got one top done, okay? That took me 2 hours. I thought it would take me 20 minutes. If you don't do this every day, it takes a lot of time. I'm about to do the bottom of that one. So I'm not even going to show you all of it. Watch that video and then I'll show you the final result. Thanks for watching. All right, so I know you put this, it's called the listening wire, in here. And first you've had to cut and make sure there's a listening wire in the frame. The problem with mine was it didn't come out of a charger, it came out of a who knows what, something Mopar. So the wires were in the wrong place. Put this in the back. So I had to go cut this wire in order to make it fit. And it did, it does now. You also have to cut your foam a little bit, don't freak out about that. But again, figuring it out myself. And could I screw it up? Oh, betcha. Yeah. Second seat. It's in better shape than the other one, and it's easier to take apart. But the learning curve, I mean, I've gone through this one way faster. There's that one. It's not totally done, but the seats are on. I need to put the headrest in and then attach the two and then put the tracks on. But I'm going to paint the tracks before I put them back on. I need to be wearing a hazmat suit. It's that nasty. I did find 2 pennies, though. Let's see if we can see what the ears are. Here's one. So I'm making money. That's what matters, right? Finish that one up, then do the back seat. I still would recommend watching that other video. Very important. All right, there you have it. The seats that are recovered, they're not connected yet and the headrests are not on. But that took me about 8 hours. All right, we've got the 2 front seats done. And now it's time for the back seat. But I think we'll wait on that. It's a lot of work to cut those hog rings off, and they make such a giant mess. Some of you were saying, wait a minute, you had a generallee, you had a charger with seats from the factory that were the saddle tan and you're changing it to black? Yeah, I like it better. Thanks for watching.